To make eggless chocolate cake, in a bowl or ramekin, take 2 tablespoons of wheat flour or all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And mix everything well. To this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of milk. Now mix everything very well. Now it's time to add some chocolate chips. And some more chocolate chips. Microwave this for 1 minute. Our chocolate cake is ready. Top it up with some raspberries and enjoy.